Right, I am Ryan Fry, and as you saw from Mandy and Pete, apparently this is easy to do. It doesn't look that easy to do, but I'm gonna give it my best shot here. So, as Mandy indicated, I've taken the shoe, I've taped off the desired spot to put a toe coat, and I've roughed it up as much as possible with this sanding block. So now I'm ready to apply the actual toe coat material. Mandy made this look very easy, so let's see how easy it actually is. It doesn't seem that hard. It goes on it's not quite as easy as Mandy makes it look, but I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. Take this, fill in areas that I missed as per the instructions. It seems quite easy. I think I nailed that. I think I nailed it. Take off the tape as per those instructions. I got a little spot here that didn't quite go perfectly. A bit of a perfectionist, so let's make this as perfect as possible. Take this off, this off. Well, I do have a little bit of excess that has started to flow down the shoe. So I've been instructed that I grab a little bit of paper towel and I'm just going to clean this up slightly before it dries, maybe a little bit more. Oh, this is why this comes into play. Popsicle stick that comes with it to even that out. There you have it, my first toe coat.